We actually need this.
在时间的洪流里，有些名字不是被记住，而是被铭刻。布加迪便是其中之一，它更是一种信仰，是精度的基准，是工艺的标杆，是人类工程学所能抵达的极限象征。在布加迪的世界里，有些东西从来不会被妥协，每一台发动机，每一块碳纤维，每一道线条，都以同一个理念铸造。这不是一辆车，这是在无路可走中打造出的奇迹。在资源接近零，容错无限接近于零的环境里，用纯粹的意志和智慧，把不可能变成现实的机械传奇。而布加迪的完整性不该被打破，更不该被轻视。每一次修复，每一次重建，都不是对一辆车下手，而是在触碰一个时代的灵魂。这是一台用信仰铸就的机器，必须怀着敬畏，才能配得上让它重生。
Well, until now, Bugatti, you don't want to sell me fucking parts, huh? Bugatti, you don't want to sell me parts.
直到现在，布加迪依然不肯把零件卖给他。布加迪不想卖零件，你得知道，亚历克斯一直是布加迪的死忠，他长期把自己当成品牌代表，连帽衫从不离身。在外人眼里，他几乎就是移动的布加迪广告牌。但现在事情变大条了，他正式进入冬季弧线模式，也就是俗称的头发掉光了。压力太大，布加迪不跟亚历克斯合作，不卖他零件，他压力大到头发自己都没了。所以亚历克斯认为这是属于他的一场战争。不过在宣战之前，兄弟们，你们的头发还留着吗？评论区告诉亚历克斯，他不是一个人。回到正题，既然布加迪不愿意卖零件，那亚历克斯也不指望了。但是这台车无论如何都会被他修回来。今天的视频内容主要讲述亚历克斯，他是怎么把布加迪买回来的，那次事故到底发生了什么？布加迪又是如何一步一步把他逼到绝路，直到最后竟然用一个交流发电机的报价让他彻底来转黑？还有最关键的部分被盗的布加迪零件，他又是如何靠一条简单的消息全数追回？当然，最后还有一个重点，既然布加迪不再愿意合作，那亚历克斯的全新计划是什么？这台布加迪要怎么继续他的重生之路？兄弟们，你们觉得他应该继续硬杠布加迪，还是干脆自己造零件？弹幕给个建议。废话不多说，让纪录片正式开始。
What's up, mate?
Good, how are you?
Hey, where you at, mate?
We're in sunny England, of course. It's really nice and sunny.
Yeah, I mean, Miami's not that good as well, but I think I got something that you might like, bro. The Bugatti.
Oh my days, the Bugatti.
Yo, so look, I'm not gonna lie, right? I'm not a trained professional, right? All I know is that like this windshield is no longer good, right? So we can just like. Wait, the windshield's no longer good, right? So we can just.
you know how much that is?
How much is it?
It's at least like $50,000.
What? That's actually pretty cheap. Not fucking bad. All right, look. All right.
Keep smashing it.
All right, look. So there's this shit right here, right? I'm not a professional, but all I know is that you gotta like get it out of there, right? You gotta get it out of there, right? Fine.
This is bad. Stop.
Well, and then this right here. I know we gotta fix this right here. We gotta like. No. All right.
No.
All right, mate. So obviously, I don't know how to fix this car. You think you could come down and fix it?
I think we can come out and fix it. It's gonna cost. It's gonna be expensive, but it might be cheaper than Bugatti.
I'd rather pay you than pay Bugatti out there, bro. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. How long do you think it'll take for you to rebuild this car?
Making the parts or what?
Getting the parts. We'll get them somehow.
If they had the parts, we could build that car in a week.
In a week?
In a week, we'll be able to build that car if we had the parts. But that could be an issue. Yeah, we're gonna do it like proper, like Indian style. Like we're gonna flip.
Do you think you could come down to Miami and take a look at it?
So we're gonna come down just after Christmas, so I don't get in trouble with the missus. And we'll be that week there. We'll come down. We'll strip all the broken parts off, work out what we can get, what we can fix, what we can't get, and then we can go from there. At least that sounds like the best option for us. So we've at least got like a base of where we can go get all the bad stuff off it, and then we know what we need to replace.
Okay. Should we start removing any parts for you? Would you want us to do any work?
No, keep driving it. Keep making videos. Just don't break it anymore. No.
All right, sick. All right, so I'll see you last week of December here in Miami.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready for it.
Okay, sick. All right, well, Matt, safe travels when you come down here. I'll see you soon.
See you then. Bye. Bye.
See you, mate. All right. How about that Bugatti, huh? We got Matt motherfucking Armstrong gonna come fix the car. Now what? Huh? I'm taking this shit personal, bro. Like, when do you ever just get the chance to get a hammer and just throw it? When do you ever get the chance to do that? Never, right? We're not fucking rich ones. Fuck, you are rich. Bugatti for this type of transport.
You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. Yep, that looks good enough. Oh, it looks like we're doing good.
Oh, come on, not the fucking tow truck, bro. Come on. Oh.
布加迪为什么不卖他零件呢？亚历克斯今天就把整个故事讲清楚。事情发生在 UFC 赛事之后，亚历克斯刚认识特朗普，接触这位大哥以后，24岁的他赚了几百万上千万，感觉人生开挂。结果一上高速，和一辆1987年的铃木小卡车撞上了，3000美元的迷你卡车 VS 500万的布加迪。亚历克斯很无语，但没崩溃，因为保险赔偿已经硬生生拿下来了。最后，亚历克斯表示，车能修，钱能赚。比布加迪更贵的也有，最重要的问题是在压力里保持清醒的能力。这台车兜兜转转，亚历克斯最后还是选择邀请马特帮他重建。后续视频会随时更新。本期视频到这就结束了。关于视频的内容，大家可以在评论区讨论。感谢大家的观看，我们下期再见。
Relax.
We actually need this.